Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn preparation of potassium dichromate. We'll cover the fundamental chemical reactions involved and the necessary steps to synthesize this compound safely. Understanding the process is key to successful laboratory work, so pay close attention to each stage. We'll focus on an easy-to-follow method, ensuring you grasp the core principles without unnecessary complexity. Let's get started with the basics of this important chemical synthesis. The journey to potassium dichromate begins with chromite ore, which is rich in chromium. This ore is finely powdered and then roasted in a reverberatory furnace. During roasting, it's mixed with sodium carbonate and lime and heated in the presence of air. This crucial step converts the insoluble chromite into soluble sodium chromate, a yellow compound. This initial reaction is fundamental for extracting chromium from its natural state. Once you have the sodium chromate solution, the next step is to convert it into sodium dichromate. This is achieved by acidifying the solution, typically using sulfuric acid. The chromate ions, which are yellow, transform into orange dichromate ions in an acidic environment. After this conversion, the sodium dichromate can be crystallized from the solution. This intermediate product is then ready for the final transformation into potassium dichromate. For the final step, we react the sodium dichromate with potassium chloride. Since potassium dichromate is less soluble than sodium dichromate, it selectively crystallizes out of the solution. This allows for its separation and purification, yielding the desired orange crystalline solid. Remember to handle all chemicals with appropriate safety gear. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals. This method provides a straightforward way to prepare potassium dichromate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.